In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your filters in your pivot tables right here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a data and you've applied a pivot table to read your data better, you can also use more filters to let you control what data would be included in your summary without changing or deleting the original dataset. So let's go to our other sheet right here where it says pivot table. So here's a pivot table that I've created based on our raw data on this sheet. So with this pivot table, I have the sum of sales for each region based on the products that have been sold. We also have the grand total for each product and the grand total for each region. And let's say we want to analyze our data more. So using a filter or adding filters in our pivot table will act like smart lenses that lets us zoom in on just the part that we want to analyze or present, again while keeping the full dataset safe in the background. So to add a filter to our pivot table, we're just going to go to this green pen right here where it will say Edit. If you click on that, we will have our pivot table editor on the right side. So for rows, we have our region, our column would be our product, and our values would be our sales. And right at the very bottom, you will see our filters. So if you want to add a filter, you can just go ahead and click on Add right here. Here, it will give you the option which part you want to filter your data with. So for this one, I want to start with our region. If I click on Region, it will add the Region tab right under our filters. If we go to the status where right now it's showing all the items, if we click on this, this is where we can filter our data. So again, we are filtering this by region. If we just want a comparison of our north and south regions, we can unclick our east and west right here. So now we only have north and south selected. If we click on OK, there we have it. Now our data has shrunk in our pivot table where we can make a quick comparison of the sales of these products based on these two regions right here. So that's one way we can filter it. Let's say we want to select another type of data to filter our pivot table right here. So we can remove that quickly by just clicking on the X mark, add another data right here. We can also just drag one of these right here. It will give us the same options like so. So we just want to see the sales of apples for all the regions. If we click on this product and drag it down right here below the filters, there you have it. It will do the same thing. So if we click on our drop down, there we go. Right now, all of the products are selected. So if we just want to see the apples for each of those regions right there, we can unclick or deselect those two products right there, click on OK, and there we have it. Again, our data in our pivot table has shrunk to only show one product, which is the apple, in each of the regions right here. And if you want some extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.